Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Vanguard account. First, visit Vanguard's official website and locate the Open an Account section. You'll need to provide personal details like your social security number, date of birth, and address. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. This initial step is crucial for verifying your identity and setting up your secure investment profile. Next, choose the right account for your financial goals, whether it's a traditional IRA, Roth IRA, or a standard brokerage account. Each has different tax implications and benefits. Once selected, you'll link your bank account for funding. You can typically transfer funds electronically or mail a check. Remember to check for any minimum investment requirements, which can be around $3,000 for many Vanguard funds. Now comes the exciting part, choosing your investments. Vanguard is known for its low-cost index funds and ETFs, which offer broad market exposure. You might also consider target date funds, which automatically adjust their asset allocation over time. Always review the expense ratios, aiming for funds with costs well under zero. 15% to maximize your returns over the long term. Finally, carefully review all the information you've entered before submitting your application. Once approved, you can set up automatic investments to ensure consistent contributions to your portfolio, helping you reach your financial goals faster. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Regularly monitor your account and adjust your investments as your financial situation or goals change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.